Hi, my name is Ashley and I am a licensed esthetician with SkinSolutions.MD. At SkinSolutions.MD, we pride ourselves in offering the newest and absolute best beauty products on the market for all of our customers, and we are so excited to announce our newest addition, Upneeq. Upneeq is a new revolutionary product that offers fast, incredible results. All you have to do is apply 1 drop to each eye daily for the boldest, brightest, most awake look ever. Like a cup of coffee for your eyes, Upneeq acts as a liquid eyelid lift without pricey surgeries and with 0 downtime. Upneeq will last roughly 6 to 8 hours once applied, and it can be worn even if you wear contact lenses. All you'll have to do is apply the Upneeq before you put your contacts in or remove them before application, wait 15 minutes, and then put your contact lenses back in and you're ready to go. All of our medical providers are right here in the US, so you can feel super confident about your purchase. And once it's ordered, we'll ship it directly to your door, so there's no need for an office visit or long pharmacy lines. In each vial of Upneeq, there is just enough product for 1 drop to each eye for each day, and the Upneeq will wear off after approximately 6 to 8 hours, which makes it perfect for applying right before a night out or even a day at the office to make you look flawlessly awake.